Hi everyone! We are very happy to share that our paper presenting the sRedList platform has been published in August in Biological Conservation. It is open access, so you can all access and read it to better understand the scientific background of the sRedList platform. Also, we just released a new version of the sRedList platform, version 1.3, with some pretty cool features that you have been asking, mainly regarding range maps. First, if you use an existing range map, for instance from the last published assessment, you can now compare it with the distribution of GBIF occurrence records to identify if your species range map needs to be updated or if you can keep it for its reassessment. For instance, in that case, we may want to update the range map to include these recent records. The main new feature in this release is that you can now edit polygon range maps manually on the platform. This allows you to edit the shape of polygons, to simplify or smooth the polygons, to draw new polygons, or remove polygons. Also to edit presence, origin, seasonal attributes, to split polygon to assign different attributes, and to fill in the text columns required by the REDList mapping standard, as compiler, source, citation, and so on. I just showed you how to edit a pre-existing range map, but this feature also works if you created a range map from occurrence records directly on the sRedList platform, and it will enable you to fine-tune the range map created in step 3. If you created your range map from hydrobasins, you will be able to select hydrobasins where the species is present and edit their presence, origin, seasonal attributes. Following this new option to edit polygon range maps, we also restructured a bit the distribution section. After editing your range map, whether it's a distribution created on sRedList or from a previous published assessment, you will need to select the attributes to include in quantitative analysis. A restricted range map with these attributes only will then be used in steps 3 to 7, but the complete range map will be used to extract countries of occurrence and to create the final range map shapefile. The reason for this change is that extinct range, for instance, should be in the final shapefile and in countries of occurrence, but should not be considered for calculation of EOO or AOO. Finally, you will see that the elevation limits and generation length values provided by sRedList are now sourced, and you can see where they are coming from just by placing your cursor above the value. We really hope you will enjoy those new features. Please don't hesitate to send us some feedback if you like it or if you find some bugs or weird behaviors. We will be really happy to see how this is working for you.